G'day guys, happy National Science Week. If you're getting involved in the street science and early products National Science Week competition, then we've got a little bit of information that you might want to know so that you can create some pretty amazing flavour profiles with your kefir water. What do they need to know, Trish?
Okay, so we've done our fermentation, we've done our first fermentation, and we've got this lovely probiotic water. Doesn't taste great at this stage, so we're going to improve the flavour profile now, and we can do that with anything that we like that's going to give it a nice sugar source. So we've drained our kefir, and we've weighed that because we've done our daily weigh. We're going to check that daily to see how it's progressing. Now, we've got our water. Taste it now. It's not bad, but it's not great, so we're going to improve on that. So we're going to transfer this water to a 2-litre bottle. The bottle needs to have a lid so that when the bacteria and the yeast which are in this water produce some CO2, this bottle's not going to blow up. We're just going to pop it, we're going to burp it just so that it doesn't blow up. So we're going to add some fruit, we're going to add our water, and then we're going to leave it for 24 hours for our second ferment, and we're going to allow those flavours to infuse into our water and create a great drink.
How good. You guys know what to do. Get involved. Good luck. See you soon.
Looking forward to see what you come up with.